Okay, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how you can create what's known as a dynamic pricing strategy. And this is available in your pricing settings in the list management step or the list step of the wizard. And I'll scroll down right here. It's a one-time payment option. So you choose one-time payment, and then from the drop-down list on the pricing strategy, use dynamic pricing over time. And what this allows you to do is create a price that looks like this. It's a price that increases right before your customer's eyes. This drives them crazy. I've used this in the past to do very well in some scarcity promotions where basically I had a promotion that was going on. It started out at a very, very cheap price, an insanely cheap price, and then it increased to $297. And when people can see the price increasing right before their eyes, it drives them crazy because they don't like the thought of losing money. And the way that this works is you set up the starting price right here, and then you set up a starting date. Then you set a maximum price that you want your price to increase to, and so you'd use whatever you want to use as your maximum price, and then you'd set a end date. Now, the higher the price and the closer the dates are together, the faster that this little dynamic price is going to spin and going to increase. When they click the Order Now button, it will lock it in. They can't cheat this one because it is based upon the server clock, and so they can't turn back the server clock, and so the price is always going to increase automatically. And then you have the choice to continue the sale indefinitely, which means that once it reaches the maximum price, it will continue to offer the product for sale at that maximum price, or you can, of course, end the sale at a certain date and then redirect them to any alternate URL that you want when they hit that order link. But this is, again, a very powerful system. It's known as dynamic pricing, and it's very, very effective in convincing people to take immediate action, especially if you have a really great price on a great product and they can snag it over time. It's also kind of interesting as a price testing strategy because you can actually see where the price, where the sales start to kind of peter off, where they start to see the price go beyond what the perceived value is. I found that when I ran a sale in the past and I made the top price at $297 and I started at $19, people went crazy at the lower price, but some waited and they came back kicking themselves. But the most popular price was right around $50 for that particular promotion. And I think I ran about 7,000 sales, $7,000 in sales in just a few days' time, running a little dynamic pricing strategy that time. It's a lot of fun, something you can give a try. Do some short-term promotions and sales, and people they just enjoy it, and because they can get a good deal, and they kick themselves and jump on it because if they wait, they lose money. So it's really highly effective to these little dynamic pricing strategies. And in our system, you actually have the option on whether or not you want to display this price. You can, of course, have the price increase, and then every time they click the order button, the price will show the current price that they've locked in. Or you can have the price increase displayed right here. And we just give you a line of code to paste into your sales page, and it will display the order button that you select. And you can customize this order button as well. It can be we have a whole selection of order buttons in our system that our system will provide when you embed the script in your site, or you can add your own custom order button as well. It works both ways.